I can't wait to throw them in the pool.
Now.
Yeah. Better make it early enough so that he doesn't remember. Or else payback's going to be a biatch. Hey.
I get to throw Will in the pool this year. He knows how to swim.
Oh. There goes the thumb. Found that thumb. I'll take that nipple.
He's got the thumb in the fit.
Got the thumb. Got the thumb. I got the thumb. Squeeze me. Oh, squeeze me. Yeah.
One more scooch.
Oh, yeah.
Nice ribs.
Yeah, he can't wait. He's got his hands in his mouth and his thumb.
That's your tracer bracelet. No running away. There's that monster femur we saw on the ultrasound. Yeah. Yeah.
It stopped going in, so you'll have a little bit of residual, but you're not going to know. That is where it's going to dry out.
I'm just trying to gauge,
Oh,
it doesn't work.
that's too close,
Well,
John.
we're going to check it in now.
See the pimple on my face.
If you're getting worse, then we're going to get you something else.
Who's over there?
Not as hungry as you might think.
Nice ball spot.